Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to create Gmail account. So in order to do that, what we need to do is just head over to any browser of your choice, but it's preferable to use Chrome. So let's head over to our Chrome browser. And once we're in there, let's search for Google. Here it is. It can be Google or google.com, doesn't matter. And then once you're in there, you can see your profile icon right here. So let's click on that profile icon. And as you can see, this will open the account section of our Google. What we need to do is just scroll down and click on this manage accounts on this device. Then after that, you can see this add account to this device. So let's just click on that. And then as you can see, it will check our info first. And in here, you can see the option to create account. So let's click on that. Click on for myself. And then in here, you just need to put in here your first name, and your last name is actually optional. So after that, just click on next. And then in here, put in your birthday. And then your gender. And click on next. And then in here, you can choose your Gmail address. You can also create your own Gmail address. It depends on you. But for me, I'll create my own Gmail address. So I'll put in something like this. Click on next. Then after that, you just need to type in your password that you want to use. Then as you can see, you need to add phone number, but there's actually an option to skip it. So for me, I will skip it. And as you can see, we just need to review your account information and click on next. Then there's actually the privacy and terms. Just scroll down and read all of that and click on I agree. And then after that, it will load for a while. So let's just wait for it to load. And then as you can see, here is the account that we have just created. You can now choose this account right here. And after that, as you can see, we have chosen that, and we can now go to gmail.com in order to use that to the specific Gmail. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.